my name is Sam. I'm from usedreamweaver.com, a free tutorial, template, and photo resource. In this video, I'm going to help you understand how to create a simple website with an image in Adobe Dreamweaver. I'm running CS3. Before we get into Dreamweaver, let's make sure your website is going to be organized. Create a folder somewhere, which is done by clicking either in another folder or on your desktop. Right-click and go to New, and then select Folder. And that will create the folder. I already created one that we're already inside of called Sample Website. Inside of that folder, you want somewhere to keep your images. We'll do that by creating another folder. Right-click once again, go to New, and then select Folder. And we will call that folder, right-click on it again, and click Rename. We will call that folder Images. And this is where we will keep all the photos and all the images for your website. For instance, I have a picture here that we're going to use in the website we're making. I'm going to drag that into the image folder. So any image that you want to put on your website should go in the image folder. Go ahead and open up Dreamweaver. Go to File, New, or hold Control and press N on your keyboard. We want a blank page. Dreamweaver does also have these themes and starter pages, but we won't get into those just yet. Go to Blank Page, HTML, and select None. We don't want any layout. And click Create. And you will see that Dreamweaver has created a page for us. Your screen may not look the same as mine. I have a couple windows closed here. You can click on these tabs on the side to open up windows here with CSS and tag attributes. We have a tab at the bottom here we can click to open up the properties window. But we'll keep those closed just for now. Dreamweaver offers 3 different ways to view your page. You can either view split, like I have now, where the code is at the top and the design is at the bottom. You can go up here and click Code to view just the code of the website, or click here to view just the design of the website. This is a what you see is what you get editor. So anything you type here or anything you see here will be on your website. I prefer to view the split view so I can see what's going on with the code and I can see what my website's going to look like. To type, simply click on the design portion and go ahead and type a word in. We can open up this tab at the bottom to get the properties window. And if you don't have that, that can be found by going to Windows and selecting Properties, or holding down Control and press F3. We can highlight the text and we can make it bold. We can increase the size of it. We can center it. We can change the font. We can edit the text in any way. Now, to put in an image, before we add in an image or any other external elements that we have to bring into the website, we need to establish where the website is going to be. So go ahead and go up to File and select Save As, and we want to put this in my documents. So you can put this anywhere, but I'm going to find the file that I created right there called Sample Website, and I'm going to call this website Index. The first page of a website should always be called Index. That is the default that the web browser will route to. So if you want your page to show up right away, unless it's not your main page, it should be called Index. So go ahead and create that and press Save. And now let's insert an image. That can be done by going up to Insert, clicking Image, or you could also hold down on your keyboard Control, Alt, and the letter I. Click Image, And then we once again want to find that same folder. And once we've done that, we want to find the image folder inside of that. Inside the image folder, you will find your image or your photo. Select it, click OK, and it will ask you to put in alternate text. This is, for some reason, if your image can't display, this is what will display instead. So we'll call this construction. And we'll press OK, and that will put in our image. But as you can see, this image is huge. Let's scale this down a bit. Let's scroll over, and sometimes it's useful to view just the design view so you can fit more on the screen. And go over to the edge, hold down Shift to keep the same aspect ratio, click, and you can drag that image to any size. I'm going to make it much smaller, and then let go with your mouse, and then let go with Shift, and you will see that the image is much smaller, and you can make it any size you want. So going down to the corner, you will see the arrows appear there. Hold down Shift to keep the same aspect ratio, and adjust the size to whatever you want. Let go of the mouse, and then let go of Shift. If you do not hold down Shift and you do this, your picture will appear stretched, which we don't want. Let's undo that. So that's how to create some text, and we can insert some more below that. With an image, we can also change the background color very easily by right-clicking on the background, go down to Page Properties, and go to Background Color, and we can change that to any color we want. Let's make that blue. Click Apply, and you will see the background turns to blue. We can also make an image the background, but we won't do that right now. Let's click OK, and you can see we might want to highlight that. We can change the color of the text to make it easier to read. Great, that looks good. So let's save that, and now let's get it up on the web. There are a variety of programs you can use for this. I use a program that's free called Core FTP Lite. Let's connect to my web server. This can be found in another video, how to set up this. And we want to find the folder where we have our website files on the computer, which is in sample websites. And you will see we have the index file, which is this page right here. And we have the image folder, which contains our image, which is right there. Go to index, and we can drag that over into sample website. And we also want the images folder, and we'll drag that over. So now, on our web server, we have sample websites, and inside of that, we have the image folder. And inside of the image folder, we have the construction image. And now we can go to, and I'll go ahead and open the website, which is in a folder off my main site, and the main folder is called sample website, just like we created. And hit enter, and you will see it loads our web page. And there we go, that is on the internet. And we have our text there that we can highlight. We have the image here. That's how to create a simple website in Adobe Dreamweaver CS3. I'm Sam from usedreamweaver.com.